Hey, Zach here, and today I'm going to show you the new way to add collaborators to your Shopify store because it has changed recently here in April 2025. I believe it was this month or maybe last month. Something changed, so let's just take a look at how to do it now. So we're going to go into settings here and then click on users. And we can see this is very different from how it was just, a month or two ago. And what we want to actually do is go to security and give this 4-digit code to your Shopify developer. And they're also going to need the URL to your store that's up here. So give them that. And then I'm going to go in my other email account and request access to my own store, and then get back to you in 1 second. Okay, so now we're here. Refresh the page, and there I am for my other email account requesting access. So we're just going to click on here, accept the request, and then this thing is a little wonky right now. They're still working out some bugs, so you'll have to refresh the page to see that it's actually active, and there it is. As simple as that. And there might be some confusion here. Let's say something happened. Maybe this didn't go through the way you wanted it to, or you removed the person, now you want to get them back. We might run into some issues here. So let me show you what that looks like. We're going to click on here. Let's say we remove the user, okay? Removed it, refresh, everything looks great. But now I'm going to show you a common error that occurs and how to resolve that. So now let's say that freelancer or developer, whatever, they requested a second time after you removed them, or after the request didn't go through for whatever reason. I'm going to go do that real quick. Okay, I'm going to refresh. Now this person has requested a second time to join the store. And you would go here like normal, click on this and accept the request, right? But something went wrong. Role with this name already exists. So what we're going to have to do is, go to roles, find their name, and it'll say their name X, the name of your store. Gonna have to go ahead and click on that and then delete that role. Okay, now let's go back to the users. You see the request is still pending. Click on it. Now let's accept the request. And there you go. Of course, it still says pending. We got to refresh. It should be active after this. There we go. So that's how to work around if you're running into some issues like that. So if you have any other questions, just let me know. If you need help with anything, contact me. I'm always on here working on Shopify stores, and you can definitely hire a Shopify Ninja today.